गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम जूनियर ऑडिटर 2020 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। एक सेक्शन मैंने ऑलरेडी कवर कर लिया है जिसमें मैंने हिमाचल और जीके के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हैं। आज हम इकोनॉमिक्स, बिजनेस स्टडी और अकाउंटेंसी के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द वर्ड पोजीशनिंग वॉज कॉइन्ड बाय ए L. Reis and Jack Trott. Give the name of the author who has the major contributions in the field of marketing. B. W. J. Stanton. Which of the following sources of power is dependent on authority? A. Legitimate power. The term hybrid security is used for C. Preferred stock. In order to bring about effective organizational change, changes in technology need to be accomplished by making change in B. structure. An example of pre-control established by management would be D. all of these: rules, policy, budgets. A person directly involved in operation in accomplishment of main objective of the firm is called B. line manager, which is not a component of relational database. D. hierarchy. Which of the following skills involve working well with other people? B. human. Effective management decisions are C. rational. Employees resist organizational change because it B. create uncertainty. According to Herzberg's motivation hygiene theory, employees' salary is A. hygiene factor. Who was the most power in the value chain? C. customers. Entrepreneur is C. manager looking for every opportunity. क्वेश्चन 15 टू क्वेश्चन 64 मैंने ऑलरेडी पिछले वीडियो में डिस्कस कर लिए हैं। क्वेश्चन 65, फाइनेंस कमीशन इज कंस्टिट्यूटेड फॉर एवरी D. 5 years. Marginal costing helps in price fixations more in period of C. depression. P upon V ratio plus variable cost ratio is equal to D1. When fixed cost is rupees 7,000, profit is rupees 3,000 and sales is rupees 50,000, the P upon V ratio is A. 20%. A contributory is a B. shareholder. Non-convertible debenture refers to B. loan capital. For calculating market value using P upon E ratio, it is necessary to know B. earning per share. Depreciation is provided as per the concept of, इसका राइट आंसर ए है। बाय मिस्टेक जो है वो दो जगह सर्कल लगे हैं। ए इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर, गोइंग कंसर्न। ट्रेड डिस्काउंट इज B. 1 and 3. Not shown in books and allowances of the selling price. Single column cash book always show a debit balance. Which of the following always have a debit balance? B. bill receivable. Gaining ratio means A. new ratio minus old ratio. A, B, C are in partnership from sharing profit in 5:4, 4:3. D is admitted as a new partner for 1/6 share. The sacrificing ratio will be 5:4:3. B. X and Y are partners sharing profit in the ratio 1:3. A is admitted with 1/4 share of profits. What will be the new ratio of X, Y and A? D. 3:9:4. 79. The current account of a partner is a dash account. B. Personal. Cost of capital is also known as D. All of these. Minimum acquired rate of return, hurdle rate, cutoff rate. A company issue 10% preferential share of rupees 100 each. Cost of issue is rupees 2 per share. Calculate cost of preferential capital if these shares are issued at 100% premium. B. 9.26. Net earning rate 3 lakh per year. Fair rate of return 15%. The capitalization based on earning would be B. 20 lakh. Analysis of operating leverages involve A. Short run. As per Walter model, if R is equal to K, what will be the effect of dividend decision on the value of firm? C. Remain same. Banking Commission 1972 was headed by A. R.G. Saraiya. Overdraft facility is provided on B. Current account. Which is the Apex Development Bank of India? C. IDBI. Which was the first state finance corporation? A. Punjab Finance Corporation. The members of which organization become the members of World Bank automatically? A. International Monetary Fund. Which of the following is called silent salesman? B. Packaging. The idea of marketing mix was popularized by C. Neil H. Borden. Marketing is always associated with D. All of these. Events, services, places. Marketing always focuses on the needs of B. Buyers. The most important constituent of marketing mix is A. Product. In which exchange we can exchange commodities? D. NMCE. Which among the following is not a subsidiary of RBI? C. SIDBI. Basel norms are related to D. Banking sectors. An agreement enforceable by law is called B. Contract. Section 5 of Contract Act deals with C. Revocation of proposal and acceptance. The term contingent means C. Both A and B. Possible but not assured, doubtful or uncertain. Indemnity means D. Both A and B. Security from damage or loss, security for more profit. Section dash of the Contract Act defined sub-agent. A. 191. A minor can be an A agent. As per Section 2 of the Sale of Good Act, quality of goods include C. Both A and B. State of goods, conditions of goods. The most important documents of a company is to C. Memorandum of Association. The dash on equity shares is not cumulative. A. Dividend. The transition of shares takes place in which of the following case? C. Operation of any law. How many types are of preference shares? A. 8. The debenture holders of a company are companies. B. Creditors. When an existing company offers its share for sale to the existing shareholder, it is known as C. Right issue. Find out median from the following 5, 8, 3, 2, 4. D. 4. First quartile is also known as A. Lower quartile. In set 2, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 3, 4, 2, mode is A2. Table which shows frequency of each score is called a D. Frequency distribution table. Harmonic mean of 3, 4 and 8 is A. 3.43. Range of data 18, 25, 12, 13, 8, 9, 20 is equal to D. 17. Sum of deviations of values from their mean is always B. 0. When annual value of one self-occupied house is nil, the assessors will be entitled to the standard deviation of C. nil. ये जो राइट आंसर मैं बता रही हूँ वो ऑफिशियल आंसर की के आंसर हैं. Deduction from annual value is allowed under which section of Income Tax Act? A. Section 24. Income from sale of rural agricultural land is B. Taxable income. The provision for the set off and carry forward of losses in Income Tax Act 1961 is B. Section 70-80. Maximum limit for deduction of life insurance premium from the gross total income as per Income Tax Act is B. 1.50 lakh. Minor's income is clubbed to which of the following as per Income Tax Act? C. Father or mother's income, whichever is greater. The provisions regarding TDS salaries are contained in which section of Income Tax Act 1961? C. Section 192. Auditing is a fact-finding process that compares actual results with A. Specified standards and plans, which is also accepted to provide the resources needed and select staff members to accompany the auditor. D. Audit, which is a systematic examination of the books and records of business. A. Auditing. Which kind of audit is conducted generally between two annual audit? B. Interim audit. Vouchers relates to D. All of these. Cash receipt, cash payment, credit transactions. The main objective of investigation is D. All of these. To discover errors and frauds, to prevent errors and fraud, to verify statements. Cost audit under section 233 of the Companies Act is C. Advisable. Audit of bank is an example of D. All of these. Statutory audit, balance sheet audit, concurrent audit. Which of the following auditing assurance standard deals with audit planning? B. AAS 8. Audit program is prepared by D. The auditor and his audit assistants. The audit of which company does not have right to visit foreign branches of the company? B. Manufacturing. Special audit conducted at the order of central government. Which section gives such powers? C. Section 242. Audit of transaction does not include B. Efficiency cum performance audit. The statutory auditor of a government company submit his report to B, the C and AG. The audit shall report on the accounts explained by him A to the shareholders. Secret reserve can be created by B, banking and financial companies only. Vouching of the balances of all incomes and expenses account is known as vouching of B, impersonal ledger. Periodical audit is also called as C, balance sheet audit. Partial auditing is usually done by a sole trading concern. Audit in depth is synonym for D, detailed audit. What type of profits a firm gets in long run under monopolistic competition? C, normal. Monopoly power and elasticity of demand are dash related. A, inversely. Normal price, also known as D, long run price. All of the following curves are U-shape except B, AFC curve. Price line is also known as C, both A and B. Budget line, opportunity line. C is the correct answer. ये रेड सर्कल से नहीं मार्क किया है. Next question. Slope of indifference curve in case of perfect substitute is D, straight line, downward sloping. What is the income effect in case of superior goods? B, always positive. Due to price decrease in one commodity, slopes of PL will A, increase. Substitution effect is always B, positive. Elasticity of demand is C, quantitative statement. Consumer derives maximum satisfaction when marginal utility will be A, 0. Car and petrol, pen and ink are B, complementary goods. Which one is not an exception to the law of demand? D, normal goods. Giffen paradox is a case of dash to the law of demand. C, exception. Logical weak ordering theory was given by A, J.R. Hicks. Due to increase in prices, the demand also rises. This is known as C, Veblen paradox. Business economics is dash in nature. C, both A and B. Micro, macro. Total utility is a function of C, quantity of commodity. Economic development with unlimited labor supply was given by C, R. Knox. 8th 5-year plan period ended in D, 1997. Performance appraisal is useful for determining the employees. D, all of these. Retention, promotion, training. Job enrichment is not C, assigning more work. When the workers are given the opportunity to influence the managerial decision at the higher level is called dash workers' participation. B, ascending. Which method of management training is not a part of the job method? B, project assignment. Non-monetary benefits given to employees include B, job enrichment. Post-cob was given by D, Gulick. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.